Hi, in this video I will show you how to add people to WhatsApp group without saving number. So as you can see, I have in here this particular group and I can head over and then add some members through that. So I'll try to add a member to an existing group and I'll show you later how to create a group with an existing member. So head over and click on it and click on this add members option, and in here you can see that all members are able to add others to this group, and you can also edit that permission. So for this one, you can head over and click on settings and then make sure to head over to the permission, then enable its access to our contacts. So let's allow it for now. And then once it's allowed, we can head back to our WhatsApp and then click on to this add members again. And as you can see, we can invite friends. So what we can do is we can head over and then just click onto the name. Then for this one, just click onto this add members option and then invite a member using this case. Other option to that is to head over and click onto this plus icon that we should be able to see right here. And then make sure to just add in here or create a group through this particular way. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.